Welcome back to Online University Courses Graphic Class with Kingsley Collins. Today I'm going to be introducing you to Canva Tools and their basic functions. So first, when you look at the bottom of your screen, you are going to see the number 3 inside the square shape. When you click on the shape, it will bring you to this page where we have the delete button, the duplicate button, and the plus button, which is also to duplicate your background. Next, when you want to add either color to your background, you click on the image and you're going to see the option color. Then change your background to any color of your choice. And if you click on a color and you don't like, maybe for instance you want to make use of the color red, and you can't find red in any of the options there is here, you're going to click on the plus button, and you can adjust the color to red, to the color of your choice. So that it's with color. Then next, if you want to use an image for as your background, you actually have two options. You can choose from your own phone gallery, or you make use of Canva library. So if you want to make use of your own image, you click on gallery and it will take you to your phone gallery where you can export any image of your choice. But if you don't want to make use of your own image, you click on photos and it will take you to Canva library where you have different image, and you can choose any one you want. And if you don't, maybe for instance, to make things easier for you, you can't find the image you want to make use of, you can actually click on the search Canva library. When you click on it, then you type that that's what the image you want to make use of. Maybe for instance you want to make use of a business image. What you're going to do, you're going to write business, then, or you write a businessman or woman, depending on what you want to, the image you want. Then you click on search, and it will bring out business images for you that you can actually select from. So that's it for image. And the next tool we're going to be looking at is the text image, the text tool. When you click on text, it will bring out these options. As you can see, we already have different fonts, Canva font that you can make use of. But for this video, we are going to be selecting our own font. So you click on add some text of your own, and it will enable you to write your own text. So that's actually what we used to get this text. Then next, when you want to change the font, your text font, you are going to click on this button and it will bring out different font type for you to make use of. So you can actually select any font of your choice. As you can see, for this design I made use of Abra fat face. So that was the font I made use of for this design. And if you want to change the size of your text, you can actually click on the where you can see the number 120. When you click on it, it will help you to either increase or reduce the size of your text. Then next, if you want to change the color of your text, you will click on the color button where we have the white color, and it will also bring out different color options for you to make use of. Okay, and next we have the image button. The image button, when you click on it, it will also take you to your phone gallery, and you can choose any image of your choice. we have the image. You can choose any image of your choice, and here also you can choose from Canva library by clicking on photo. Then the next tool we have here is the video tool, which will also take you to your phone gallery, where you can choose any video of your choice. You can also use Canva for video editing. Then the next tool we have here is the sticker tool. The sticker tool is basically to help you animate your design. If you maybe for instance you want to do animated social media, you can click on any sticker here and it will help you animate your work. Okay, then next we have the illustration button. When you click on the illustration button, the illustration button is illustration tool is very important. It's a very important Canva tool. We have the shape option, we have the illustration, we have frame, we have line, we have icon. So let's see, and for shape, when you click on shape, it will bring out different shapes for you. You can actually use shape to beautify your work. To use it to beautify your work. Next, under illustration, we also have the illustration button. You have the illustration button. You can use this for your infographic design and other design also. Next, we have the frame button. It's actually the frame button we use here. This is the frame button. So let's search for this exact frame I used there. We have the frame button. Okay, so for that image, I think this was the frame I used. I actually did some manipulation on this. So to add image to your frame, you click on gallery. Then import the image of your choice. Okay, so that's for frame. Import the image of your choice. And you can also make use of Canva library also. You can also change the color of the frame. And next we also have the line button to bring out different lines, styles of lines for you. And if you look at my design, this this line was actually gotten from line, so use that to also beautify your work. Then also under illustration, you can actually search for social media icon. Maybe for instance you want to make use of Instagram icon in your design. You search for it Instagram, and it will bring out Instagram icon for you to make use of. Okay, then next, under illustration, you also have things like blog that also helps to beautify your work. You also have blog to beautify your work. There are different amazing blogs here, so you can also use this to beautify your work. And do other creative things with blog. Okay, this is just a tutorial video, don't mind what I'm doing right now. Okay, and next, under illustration, you can also find gradient. You can also find gradients, and if you can gradients, especially this particular gradients, you can use it to align your work, especially for those that are new, the Canva is new to them. You use this to align your work. Okay, let me show you this. If you see this straight line you see here, actually this shape we use to get it. It helps you to align your work very well. So you just rotate it and put it by the side to write your text, so that your text will be arranged properly. So that's for that gradient image. Then next, we have templates. That is, if you want to make use of Canva templates, you can choose from here, but we're not going to be doing that for this video. Then next, we have the logo tool. As you can see, these logos were not here. I actually imported them from my phone gallery, so that whenever I want to make use of any logo, I won't go back to start searching for it. I'll just come to my logo and get it once. So if you want to add your own logo to Canva Tools, you actually click on add new logo, and it will take you to your phone gallery, where you can import your logo. So you can see right now we're going to import that logo, and it will become part of this ones. Okay, you can see. So that's for logo. Then next, under Canva Tools, we also have the page button. That's the two square shape you can see there. When you click on it, it helps you to duplicate your background. And okay, that's all for the down tools. Then next, when you look at the top of your screen, we have the first button there at the right hand side is the save button. When you want to save your design, when you click on it, it will bring out different options. We have to bring out different options. To bring out different options, you can save your work as image. You can you have save as. So you click on the save as, it will bring you to this option where you can actually save your image as transparent background. That is, if you don't want the background of your image, you just want your, maybe for instance, to design the logo, and you don't want the background, you just want the logo, you can use this transparent image to save it. And you click on it, you then click on download. Then next, we have save as transparency. You can actually save it, you can actually export it directly to your Facebook page, and so on. Then the next button, the second button close to it, is also the save button. That is, if you don't want to save it as transparent background, you don't want to save it to your Facebook page, you just want to save it directly to your phone gallery, you just click on that button. Then the next button, the third button there, is the button that will help you share your work to others. Then next, we have the button that will help you resize your work. For instance, what we are working on is the image I have there is Instagram post. So if you want to resize it, you click on the first button. So it will bring you to this page where you can actually choose any option you want. We have the animated social media, we have Instagram post, Instagram story, Facebook post, Facebook cover, and lots more. So when you select any one of your choice, okay, let's say let me choose this. Let me select this site. So I want it to be animated social media. Then you click on reside. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel.